As much as I don't think I look that young, I could be a person who look like a healthy version of someone of my age.
At 58, Chuando Tan has captivated the world with his seemingly ageless appearance, looking decades younger than his actual age. Chuando Tan, born on March 3, 1966 in Singapore, has captivated the world with his remarkable ability to defy traditional aging. This multifaceted talent is not only a fashion photographer, but also a model, actor, and author. Renowned for his youthful appearance, which closely resembles that of someone in their 20s, Tan's journey in the spotlight spans several decades. He initially gained fame as a top model in the late 1980s and early 1990s, gracing the covers of numerous magazines and becoming a household name in Singapore. Chuando's striking good looks and formed physique have helped him become a global sensation. His flawless skin and youthful glow are the result of not only good genes but also of a disciplined lifestyle and healthy habits. Chuando credits his timeless appearance to a healthy diet, regular exercise, and enough sleep.
If let's say we can psych ourselves to have that mindset, that to have a positive, healthy, young thinking, I think through a period of time, that feeling will eventually become you.
In this video, he will share his skincare routine with us. Then we delve into the 5 specific foods that Chuando credits for his enduring youthfulness and 3 foods he avoids. And next, we will talk about his physical activity. So, stay tuned until the end for some useful tips you can start using right away.
Every time when people ask that question, I will shy away. Maybe because deep down inside, I know I'm already 56 and I'm aging as like everyone else.
First, skincare routine. A significant part of Chuando's age-defying charm is his meticulous skincare routine, which he couples with a stress-free lifestyle. Here are 3 skincare tips he follows. Daily use of gel face wash and moisturizing cream. Chuando begins his day with a gentle gel face wash, which effectively cleanses his skin without stripping away its natural oils. Following this, he applies a moisturizing cream to keep his skin hydrated and supple. This minimalistic approach helps maintain the skin's natural balance, preventing dryness and irritation that can accelerate aging. Wearing sunscreen every day. Every day, Chuando applies a high SPF sunscreen to protect his skin from harmful UV rays, which are a leading cause of wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. Additionally, he often wears a hat and sunglasses when outdoors to further shield his skin from sun exposure. By taking these precautions, he minimizes the risk of sun damage, maintaining his skin's youthful appearance. Drinking plenty of water. Chuando makes it a point to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is vital for maintaining healthy skin as it helps to flush out toxins and keeps the skin cells plump and functioning optimally. Well-hydrated skin appears more radiant and less prone to wrinkles and dullness. Chuando's commitment to drinking water not only benefits his skin but also contributes to his overall health and vitality. Second, 5 foods he eats. Chicken breast. Chuando Tan enjoys chicken breast cooked Hainanese chicken rice style, which involves poaching the chicken in a flavorful broth until it's tender. Alternatively, chicken breast can be grilled, baked, or stir-fried with vegetables for variety. Chicken breast prepared in Hainanese style is succulent and aromatic, often served with fragrant rice and ginger garlic sauce. It makes for a satisfying lunch or dinner option, providing sustained energy and satiety. Chicken breast is a lean protein source essential for muscle repair and growth. It's rich in B vitamins, selenium, and phosphorus, supporting immune function, metabolism, and bone health. Fish. Tan includes fish in his diet, preferring grilled salmon with a lemon dill sauce or baked cod with herbs. Fish can also be steamed or pan-seared for different flavors and textures. Fish offers a delicate, slightly oily taste that pairs well with fresh vegetables or a side salad. It's a versatile option for lunch or dinner, providing omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein. Salmon, particularly when grilled, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s support heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. They also contribute to brain health and cognitive function, potentially lowering the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Including salmon in his diet helps Tan maintain cardiovascular health and cognitive sharpness, promoting a longer and healthier life. Eggs. Poached. Tan enjoys poached eggs for their creamy texture and versatility in various dishes, from breakfast to salads. Eggs are a nutrient powerhouse rich in high-quality protein, vitamins B12, D, minerals, iron, and zinc, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. The yolk contains choline, which is essential for brain health and development. Poached eggs provide sustained energy and help maintain muscle mass due to their protein content. They support brain function and protect eye health with antioxidants as we age. Avocados. Avocados are a staple in Tan's diet, enjoyed sliced on toast, mashed into guacamole, or added to salads and smoothies for a creamy texture. Avocados have a buttery texture and mild, nutty flavor that complements various dishes. They are perfect for breakfast or as a snack, providing healthy fats and fiber. Avocados contribute to longevity through their nutrient profile, particularly their heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and high fiber content. Monounsaturated fats help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Berries. Berries are a favorite of Tan's, enjoyed fresh, added to yogurt, blended into smoothies, or sprinkled over cereal for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. They offer a sweet-tart flavor profile that enhances both sweet and savory dishes. They are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or desserts, providing vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Berries are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. They support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. 3 foods he avoids. Chuando Tan's dietary choices are integral to his strategy for maintaining a youthful appearance and overall health. Central to his approach is a focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods while avoiding those that may contribute to aging and metabolic health issues. Processed sugars. Chuando Tan prioritizes avoiding processed sugars due to their significant impact on health. These sugars, often found in sweets, sugary beverages, and processed snacks, are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, causing spikes in blood glucose levels. Such spikes can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic dysregulation, all of which accelerate aging processes and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Excessive refined carbohydrates. Tan also avoids excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates, which include foods like white bread, pasta, and pastries. These carbohydrates undergo processing that strips them of fiber and essential nutrients, resulting in rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, similar to processed sugars. Avoiding excessive refined carbohydrates helps Tan regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. It supports stable energy levels throughout the day and promotes satiety, which is beneficial for weight management and metabolic health. Processed foods. Processed foods such as packaged snacks, frozen meals, and fast food items are high on Tan's list of foods to avoid. These products often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, artificial additives, and preservatives to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. By steering clear of processed foods, Tan reduces his intake of potentially harmful additives and focuses on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods. This dietary choice supports optimal organ function, helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome, and reduces the risk of obesity and related metabolic conditions. Fourth, his physical activity.
The activities that you do during the day will be equal to the calories that you burn during the day. As simple as that.
Chuando Tan's physical activity regimen plays a crucial role in maintaining his youthful physique and overall health. Chuando Tan dedicates 3 to 5 sessions per week to exercise, each lasting up to 1.5 hours. His diverse routine includes activities like swimming, brisk walking, and gym exercises. His focus is on muscle maintenance and keeping body fat levels under 13%, emphasizing a balanced approach to fitness that supports both cardiovascular health and muscular strength. Tan starts his day with treadmill runs on an empty stomach. This practice is aimed at optimizing calorie burn and achieving an energy balance early in the day. Morning cardio helps boost metabolism, enhances calorie expenditure throughout the day, and supports cardiovascular health. Running on an empty stomach may also promote fat utilization for energy. Tan also combines cardiovascular exercises such as swimming and brisk walking with weight training sessions 3 times a week. He listens to his body to customize workouts for optimal effectiveness and recovery. This balanced approach ensures he maintains muscle tone, improves overall strength, and enhances endurance. By incorporating both cardio and strength training, Tan supports his metabolic rate and maintains a lean physique. By incorporating these healthy habits and a nutrient-rich diet, Chuando Tan shows how dedication to wellness can defy conventional aging expectations, maintaining a remarkably youthful appearance and robust vitality at 58 years old.